Hey everyone, hello and welcome to जगदम्बा पर्ल गोल्ड एंड डायमंड। आज के हमारे वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं एक से बढ़कर एक माला। द माला दैट आई एम वेयरिंग हियर इज अ मल्टी कलर रेनबो माला in which you can see a lot of precious stones which are in use. That's the beauty of this piece, which is really very versatile. And in this mala you can see a sequence, यानी कि डायमंड शेप आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा। मैं आपको आगे से भी बता दूं, देखिए एकदम डायमंड का शेप देखने को मिल रहा है आपको साइड्स में। So you can custom create the sequence of the mala in any geometric shape. Here it is in the shape of diamond. You can also custom create it in the shape of square or circle, anything that you wish and you want to do. And on top of that, आज हम देखने वाले हैं unisex malas which even groom can wear on their wedding. So without any further ado, let's explore this video today. Let's start with this rainbow color mala. इसमें आप अलग अलग तरीके के precious stones देख सकते हो, because Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond is predominantly known only for selling the precious stones. They do not sell semi-precious stones at all. And this is one of the trustworthy brands which sells this kind of precious stones. And on top of this, you can custom create the color of the precious stones, यानी कि आपको blue color चाहिए, yellow color चाहिए, sequence कौन सा चाहिए, ये सभी चीज़ें आप custom create कर सकते हो by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. And on top of this, if you want to know the prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. This piece is 696 grams. The mala that I am wearing here is a multi-color rainbow mala in which you can see a lot of precious stones which are in use. That's the beauty of this piece, which is really very versatile. And in this mala you can see a sequence, यानी कि diamond shape आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा। मैं आपको आगे से भी बता दूं, देखिए एकदम diamond का shape देखने को मिल रहा है आपको sides में। Look at this multi-layer ruby mala, ये भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty piece है and it also has a very good shine on it. And again, it's a unisex piece, which means even women can wear it as a bride and men can wear it as a groom. The beauty of this piece lies in its stones. यहाँ पर ruby stones है, but if you want any other stone like blue sapphire or any other stone, you can also visit the website and custom create this. यहाँ पर ये माला के type में है, but you can also create this as a choker or even a single line chain, whatever you would want to do. But I totally like the look this piece gives, because it gives a complete wholesome look. अगर ये पहन लोगे तो इसके ऊपर आपको चोकर पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And if you want to custom create it furthermore, you can also add a brooch, side brooch, and you can also add pendants at the center. You have a lot of opportunity to custom create your jewelry at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. That's what I like about the jewelry sold here. If you want to know the prices and the best prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Coming to the weight, इसका weight है 1020 grams. Now this is a showstopper piece. Look at this multi-layered mala which has so many layers in it, and the way this looks is so different. This is a unisex piece which even groom can wear on their wedding. These days grooms are setting a trend, like all the popular Bollywood celebrities, they are wearing this kind of unisex malas on their wedding ceremonies because these are in a trend, and also because they are made of precious stones. This will give you that royal look on wedding, and कुछ भी आपको पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, because usually it's a problem for men कि शादियों में क्या पहनेंगे. They want to look rich on their wedding, but they don't want to look too feminine. अगर आपको उस तरीके की ज्वेलरी चाहिए, then you can go for this बाहुबली piece which is just so big and larger than life, जो लोग कहते हैं. इस तरीके का piece आपको definitely explore करना चाहिए. Now coming to the weight of this piece, इसका weight है 1358 grams and 750 milligrams. There are total 19 lines in this piece. So definitely explore this larger than life piece at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, and also custom create this by visiting the website which is www.jpearls.com. देखिए इसी जो stone है precious stone में आपको अलग shapes भी मिल जाएंगे. ये वाला pumpkin shape है इसी में ही. You can custom create it this way, यानी कि shapes भी आप choose कर सकते हो along with the length and the layers. You can also choose the shape which is pumpkin shape here in this double layered piece. Alright दोस्तों, now coming to the jewelry customization, you can customize this in any color and also shapes. Like you can see यहाँ पर आपको oval shapes मिल जाएंगे, round shape मिल जाएंगे, cut shape मिल जाएगा. You can actually customize this in any geometric piece that you want. What is the beauty about jewellery at Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond? That's what I like about the jewellery here. तो अच्छा दोस्तों, ये रहे आज के यूनिसेक्स मालास एंड ऑल्सो मालास, सम ऑफ देम आर फेमिनिन। तो सारे हम लोगों ने माले जो देखे हैं उसमें एमरल्ड का वर्क है, रूबी का वर्क है, ब्लू सफ़ायर है, येलो सफ़ायर है, एंड द लेंथ इज़ कस्टमाइजेबल लाइक आई टोल्ड। एंड इसके कट्स भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेहतरीन है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे वाले पीसेस। स्पेशली स्टार्टिंग में मैंने आपको जो रेनबो माला दिखाया था उसकी तो बात ही कुछ अलग है। टोटली लव दिस काइंड ऑफ कंटेम्प्रेरी पीसेस विच bride can wear and also groom can wear on their wedding. The concept itself is very refreshing. So you can buy a unique precious gemstone necklace from Sri Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. It is known for its aesthetic beauty and top quality. This gemstone is sure to take your breath away and you can order it today on. So if you are getting married and you want to buy jewelry for your family or the groom, please explore Sri Jagadamba Pearl Gold and Diamond website and also the store to look at the various versatile variety of jewelry available which bride, groom and also the families of brides and groom can wear. Alright दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही। I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell icon and stay connected for another video. Until then, take care, bye bye.